All right, I'm just going to demonstrate the sorting feature. So you can sort by price. It'll go in descending order from the most expensive to the least expensive. And then you can go and sort by category, and it will take um, the category and place them in alphabetical order from top to bottom. And then to go back to the original sorting, you can just click sort by, and it will bring it back to the original, the order that they were entered into the database. And there you go.
Hello, I'm Nicholas Jasper, and this is my video for feature 5 for the Contact Us page. Sorry about the change in scenery. My AC is currently out, so I'm down here with a portable AC. If you can hear it, I'm sorry. I hope not. So let's go ahead and get started, and let me show you the files I added. So at first, I wanted to use the user controller file and the user controller routes because I thought it was dealing with user data, so it should do that. But then I thought about it, like if I was going to further in this project, I would need a registration email, maybe an order details email, maybe an order verified email, etc., you know? So right here I have the send email. So I used Elastic Email in order to set up an SMTP server. And with that, I used my own Gmail account to send it from and send it to. And let's go ahead and go to the routes. This isn't very interesting. It's just taking the post for the sending email and then the method for sending the email. And of course, I had to alter the server.js and add that specific route for the API. And let's go to the contact screen. So the contact screen, basically, I just replicated the registration form because I wanted something similar. Boxes and headers above that tell you what to put in the boxes. I added the method to check if the subject and message fields are not fully filled out, so it would send a toast code and not send the email. Because without that, it would just send a email with a empty subject or an empty message. We don't want that. And let's go to the user AP, the email API slice. So with this, it's basically just a copy off of user API slice, the same way it looks. But with this, I just added the email URL and then the send email, the query data and the endpoint data. And I also had to add the index.js. It is right here. So the reason why I put it in the path where it's a private route is because I don't want unverified users to send emails to our contact page. And with that, let me show you how it works. So I already have the app running. It's pretty simple. Subject, PayPal not working. That's a common one. So as you can see, the toast message in the top right corner, please fill out both the subject and the message fields. And let's say, when paying for the order, PayPal doesn't connect correctly. And then we can submit it. So that while that's going through the process, as you can see, I added the contact us page, the button to the footer. So it's on every single page. I can go to the profile page, go to the cart. It's on the home. It's on a product page. And let's go ahead and check that email once this thing gets out of the way because I'm recording. And there you go. The email is sent. And yeah, so that's feature 5. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.
Hello, this is Strangian, and this is my part for the final software engineering 2 project. I did feature 4, which is the save for later. And what I did was I added save for later slice, save for later screen, and then I edited index.js, product screen, JSX, header.jsx, and store.jsx. And so I added the save for later slice. This creates a reducer. It's the save item, remove save item. And then where you use this, you have to add it in the store.js because this is has to do with the Redux. Then in the index.js, I added the save for later screen, which is right here. And this is the save for later screen. It's very simple. Just provided the saved items, and I added a move to cart button, a remove button. And then where I added the save for later button is in the product screen. And I added it right next to the save or to the add to cart button. So I'll show you. So now the website's loaded. So I can click on the camera, and as you can see, the save for later button's right here. I could click it. Now it says item save for later. Go back here. You click the iPhone, save for later, item save for later. Now, I added it in the drop down, um, right here. Now drop down right under the profile. So here you go to save for later. Then here's the move to cart, and that is that. That one's right here, and then here's the remove. And then I added the save for later handler. And so then let's say I don't want the iPhone 11 Pro anymore. I just click remove, removes it. Let's say I do want the camera, click move to cart, then it's in the cart. So that's what I did. And I'm glad with the results. Thank you.